The tickets to Nefertari's tomb cost more than our flights from Luxor to Cairo.
We decided to stay an extra day in Luxor. We're checking out the Valley of the Queens. Yesterday was Valley of the Kings. Today, we're checking out the Valley of the Queens.
Today, we're excited for one of the most vivid tombs that is preserved, Queen Nefertari's tomb, the favorite wife of Ramses II.
Ramses II was like the greatest pharaoh they've ever had. He built a ton of stuff.
I don't know. He also just straight up put his name on things that were already done.
He built stuff, but he also took credit for other people's builds. But strangely, the first tomb we come upon is the tomb of Prince Ka-Emwas, son of Ramses III. A prince? Why here? Look at this dude's hairstyle, Mr. Baldy.
This is an incredible outfit of Ramses III. You have one patterned ribbon woven around his body. He's got a cute little cape and just coming off of the hairpiece or wig, and his skirt is pleated with so many layers and colors. Very fashion forward. 10 out of 10 for ancient Egypt.
Another Baldy. Baldies everywhere. Actually, they're the priests. And the jewel of this whole place, the reason we came, the tomb of Nefertari, the most beautiful of all Egyptian pharaohs ever.
I don't understand how the color is original and what the magic is behind preserving it, but in Nefertari's tomb, everything is so vivid and complete. Also, I like that it's a tomb of a queen, but it's only her inside it. No mention at all of her husband, Ramses the Great.
But we're only allowed to be in there for 10 minutes because the paint is so delicate. It's the most well-preserved place apparently in all of Egypt, and it's super delicate. Human breath, the humidity from it, can cause damage, so in and out.
Oh wow, like full leopard skin. They even kept the tail.
Back in Cairo, and today's Pyramids Day.
Woo!
We're just waiting on our camels.
Ride a horse or camel?
I think a camel.
Okay, because American, when you come here, say, ride a camel. And when you ride a camel, they say, amazing. I want to go see the pyramid with a camel. Yeah.
The pyramids are the only of the ancient wonders to still stand. And they're the oldest of all the ancient wonders. Incredible engineering here in Egypt.
I would say we should have come to Giza first because the scale of this is incredible, but there aren't hieroglyphics. There's not a lot of detail inside, and after being in Upper Egypt and seeing those marbles, it's a little underwhelming, and that's not fair. That's not fair to call these ancient, majestic structures underwhelming, is it? Oh, well.
The Step Pyramid at Saqqara is the first pyramid ever in the world, built in the 27th century BC. Almost 5,000 years ago they built this. And not only that, this is the world's first large stone structure. First in the world, anywhere.
We're about to go in the Bent Pyramid. I think it's named also Bent because we're gonna have to literally stoop to go down this giant hallway or shaft all the way down. It's supposed to be incredibly steep. I'm a little scared for my back. I'm 30. Oh, it's steep.
We're inside a pyramid!
We can see the tippy tap. False. This is the tippy tap. Shawarma and brioche.
We are now in Alexandria, which is known for a lot more of the Greek influence in Egypt. We're gonna go down into the tombs of Kom el-Shukafa from the 2nd century AD, or what the Egyptians probably call modern history. This sculpture here is a good example of the mixing of the different cultures. This guy has a very rigid one leg forward pose, which is very Egyptian, but then the hair, super Greek. And same rigid pose here with the woman, but her hair is Roman. We are at the Library of Alexandria. Not that one, but a new, more modern one. That one burnt out. The citadel of Kaibe here was built on the exact spot of the Great Lighthouse of Alexandria, which was actually the tallest structure in the world for many millennia. Nope, for many centuries. That wraps up Egypt, and now we'll be spending the next 5-6 months in sub-Saharan Africa, starting with Rwanda.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Always.